You are brushing your teeth fast, you are eating fast, you are walking fast, you are even thinking fast. Who is chasing you? Because most of the time the answer is no one is. We have trained ourselves to feel like everything is urgent, every message needs an instant reply, every task needs to be done quickly, every day feels like a race. But your life, it's not a race. It's something you are supposed to experience. Not everything is an emergency. Some things actually are, but most things we treat them like they are. And in that process, we rush through our own lives, you guys. You finish your day, but you don't remember living it, do you? Let's be real, when you should rush. Like you are about to miss your train or bus, or you have an exam or an interview and then you are late, go ahead, rush. Or someone is hurt or they need help, sure, rush. Or you have a deadline which is in few minutes whatsoever, you can rush. That's real urgency. But we humans, we rush in every single thing. Like if I'm eating my favorite food, I'm rushing as if it's a punishment when it's not. I'm walking fast even though I have time, I'm not late, but still I'm walking fast. I'm rushing. I don't even have a reason to rush. I still am rushing. I am watching a single YouTube video quickly just to watch another. I'm learning chapters or things just to complete it and not to understand it. I'm just rushing to, for the sake of completing it. I'm getting ready in a rush mode even though I have 20 minutes left. I can literally be ready in time. Okay, that's not urgency. Most of the time we are not even late, we are just used to rushing, which is so bad. Okay, let's fix it properly. First things first, do one thing daily at normal speed. And yes, I'm not asking you to do it in slow motion, no, just normally. Pick anything. Eat your lunch normally, walk without speeding up, get ready without rushing, and then you will realize how unnecessarily fast you usually are. It's not necessary at all. Secondly, add a 5-second pause before reacting. Before you are about to reply to a message, before you are about to switch tasks, before you are about to do something, like anything, just give yourself a pause. Just sit there and do nothing. It will help you break your rush habit. It will make you realize that not everything is an emergency, not everything requires instant action, and it will help. Also, stop telling yourself that, oh, I need to get it done very quickly. Stop repeating that to yourself. Because when you say that, oh, it needs to be done quickly, quickly, hurry up, that voice is the problem. You have to replace it, you have to. You have to tell yourself that, yeah, I have time, I can get it done quickly, I can get it done in time later. You don't have to rush every time, okay? It is a small change, but it will change your pace instantly. This one is my personal favorite and it works quite well. Ask yourself this question: what will happen if I slow down? Like, literally, ask yourself, if I do this 2 minutes slower, what will actually happen? You want to know the answer? Nothing will actually happen, okay? Nothing. You will lose your future just because you ate calmly. You will fail in life just because you walked slower. No, literally, no. This question brings you back to your reality. So keep asking yourself this question, okay? And you know what? I have been improving in this thing as well. Earlier, I used to rush a lot. But nowadays, I feel like when I'm doing something, when I'm rushing, there is this thought which comes in my mind out of nowhere, and I'm like, why am I even rushing? Is that an emergency? No. Right now, I was about to film and I was kinda rushing, and I saw these two birds playing or doing whatever. They were coming to me, and I was like, let me pause, let me see what they're up to. And I enjoyed. I was just sitting here in front of my tripod. I was not recording at all. I was just observing them, like how they are playing, what they are doing. I was just observing and I was not rushing, and I was like, wow, this is the key. Sometimes I eat fruits and I'm like, let me complete it, let me eat it very fast. And then I realize why I'm doing that. I literally love oranges and I'm eating it. I should be happy and I should be chilled, I should be calm. And that is when I realized that it's not even urgent. I need to eat it slowly. I need to romanticize my life right now, what I'm even doing. So I have been improving and I'm really proud. And that is why I'm making this video, because I don't want you to rush. Rushing maybe makes you feel productive, but it also makes you feel empty. Because physically you are present, but mentally rushing to the next thing. And that's how days disappear. And honey, your life is will not happen in the future. Your life is happening right now in small, normal, everyday moments. And if you keep rushing through all of them, you will reach somewhere fast, but you won't even remember the journey. So please relax. Not everything is urgent, not everything is an emergency, not everything needs to be done fast. Sometimes the best thing that you can do for yourself, for your life, is to actually slow down and to actually live it. So I hope you will not rush. And I really want that when you rush, then my video can come up in your mind and you can remember me, you can imagine me that I'm telling that it's an emergency. No, stop rushing, okay? I really want you to do that, because there was this creator, I don't remember her name. She made a reel and I watched it, and from then I am questioning myself if it is an emergency. So she's helping me quite a lot. When I'm rushing, she literally comes up in my mind. Okay, so I really want to be that girl for you. If you're watching this, of course, I I never want you to rush. I want you to live your life. So please do that. And I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep building.